What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Landon BB Gaming, and today I will be reacting to the song Tiptoe it's from Rooster Time. Go check out the video yourself if you would like to. I did just wake up, so that's why I sound not energetic, but let's react to the video. Good music.
Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, run and hide, don't forget to say your prayers. Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, in despair, nearly terrifying affairs.
Let it be known, I'm finally grown to head on these things I would have never approached alone. Isn't a sharp teeth?
That's not sharp teeth.
A strategy, apathy, and unhappy catastrophe. There ain't no monkey business. Emerson Adoy took the sickness. These halls of insanity, mental or reality gone. The bats are spent and done. No changing mistakes undone. With only one way out, I serve my lady devout. Her breath in the night, turning left and then right.
They're damn bull.
Get ready for fight or flight. A rush of blood to the head. Keep pushing, rush to the end. Don't let it ruffle your feathers unless you're perfectly dead.
Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, sweat and blood, but don't worry about the tears. Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, time runs out, now to brave your fears.
This is a good song.
In the middle of the tulips, run and hide, don't forget to say your prayers. Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, in despair, nearly terrifying affairs.
I like that little game kind of thing.
Cackling, go from normal to mortal, can tell the ghost from immortal. I keep my tunnel vision from the watcher's mad delusion, stalking me, watching me, every part of me, guarantee. I've had a bad day, couldn't get away from the girl, one girl who wanted to play. When it was like great severe, whispering pain so severe. I run for the devil, dear, never been so scared and dear. With the lady, I hope will lead me to the winning slow. You better never stop running, you bet they'll never stop coming. Never in a terrorist nasty, never giving up like a sick brick nasty.
I get that.
Steps whenever you pick, do it fastly. Fastly outnumbered by so sharp, it's so hard, but show off.
Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, sweat and blood, but don't worry about the
Dang, this is a good song.
in the middle of the tulips, time runs out, now to brave your fears. Tiptoe in the
Animation is awesome.
don't forget to say your prayers. Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, in despair, nearly terrifying affairs.
There's the shadow versions. Oh no, it's the scariest plushie of all. The Golden Freddy. Glit Trap.
Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips, run and hide, don't forget to say your prayers. Tiptoe in the middle
Every
of
version of Glit Trap.
despair, nearly terrifying affairs. Tiptoe in the middle
He has 4 arms now?
but don't worry about the tears.
Oh, that's a really good model for him.
Now to brave your fears. Tiptoe in the middle of the tulips,
What's happening?
hide, don't forget to say
Oh no, I know what happened.
of the tulips, in despair, nearly terrifying affairs.
I really like that song. I really like that song because it was very fascinating with all the beats and the bass, and it's surprisingly really good. Like and subscribe if you like to see more of these Five Nights at Freddy's songs, or if you would like me to play any games. And so I guess that's that. I'll be out. Bye.